सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. Page number 27, verse number 54. ताभ्यां निर्विचिकित्सेऽर्थे चेतसस्थापितस्य यत् एकतानत्वमेतद्धि निदिध्यासनमुच्यते. Vidyaranya, dealing with the topic of Nididhyasanam. Nididhyasanam means contemplation. When we practice a meditation on Atma Swarupam, it is called Nididhyasanam. Saguna Ishvara Dhyanam is also a Dhyanam. Atma Chintanam also is a Dhyanam. But Saguna Ishvara Dhyanam cannot be called as Nididhyasanam. This subtle difference we have to note. Dhyanam is very familiar name. Meditation. This Dhyanam word can mean either Saguna Ishvara Dhyanam, that means meditation upon an attributed Ishvara. Saguna Ishvara Dhyanam. Or this Dhyanam can refer to Nirguna Brahma Chintanam. Nirguna Brahma Dhyanam also called as Dhyanam. But Nididhyasanam is only referring to Atma Chintanam, Nirguna Brahma Dhyanam. Nididhyasanam cannot refer to Saguna Ishvara Dhyanam. Very subtle hair splitting here. Dhyanam means Saguna Ishvara Dhyanam, Nirguna Ishvara Dhyanam, Nirguna Brahma Dhyanam. Dhyanam means you can take like that. But whereas when you take to Nididhyasanam, it refers to only to Atma Rupa Dhyanam. Nirguna Brahma Chintana Rupa Dhyanam is Nididhyasanam. For that I gave the derivation also. Dhyai dhatu, from that it has come, the word dhyai, the root, to meditate or to contemplate. Desire to meditate, didhyasa. Didhyasa means desire to meditate, contemplate. Didhyasa. When you join the prefix ni, means ni means profound or repeated, constant or full anartham. And the ni refers to constant or profound or repeated or full. Ni plus didhyasa, nididhyasa. So nididhyasanam, dhyanam kartum ichuhu didhyasuhu. Dhyanam kartum ichuhu didhyasuhu. The person who is the desirer of dhyanam, desirer of performing dhyanam is called didhyasuhu. Dhyanam kartum ichha didhyasa. Nir plus didhyasa nididhyasa. Nir plus didhyasa nididhyasa, repa is dropped. So nididhyasaha is an abstract noun. Nididhyasanam is an abstract noun. Nididhyasaha, its abstract noun is nididhyasanam. So how much you have to see the grammar here. Nididhyasanam. Nididhyasana means that state in which the mind is totally absorbed. That state of mind is ever balanced or contemplated. That state of mind in which it is ever balanced or contemplated. That state of mind in which the mind is ever balanced. This is the definition of nididhyasana. So that is what he says. What is nididhyasanam here? Tabhyam nirvichikitse arthen. For that, I was talking about samadhi in the last class. That he brings in the next verse that I will explain about samadhi. I said I will talk about samadhi. When you go to deep meditation, it will become the samadhi. That he is going to explain later. Tabhyam means Shravana Mananabhyam. Arthe means Aham Brahmasmi Mahavakye Arthe. Here Arthe means about Brahman. What type of Brahman? Not Vichikitse Brahman, but Nirvichikitse Brahmani. Doubtless, doubt-free Brahman ityartha. Doubt-free. Doubt-free means Vichikitsa means doubt. Nirvichikitsa means doubtless, doubt-free. I am Brahman, there is no doubt for me. Upon that, Tabhyam nirvichikitse arthe. Once you have received that Mahavakya through Shravanam and Mananam, by listening constantly and analyzing through logic also, yuktya, after that you are entering into nididhyasanam chetasaha sthapitasya tat. Once you absorb in that aham brahmasmi, manobuddhi ahankara chittani naham, I am Brahman alone. Constantly I am sthapitasya means established. Chetasaha, the mind, dwelling. Sthapitasya means dwelling upon. Chetasaha, the mind, dwelling upon what? Arthe, this fact. This fact that, what is the fact? I am Brahman. Fact. So the mind has to dwell upon the fact that I am Brahman. How much time our mind is dwelling upon that? You have to think. Okay. This is the fact, dwell upon this fact continuously. That is called ekatanatvam. Ekatanatvam etat. This abhyasa, mind dwelling upon that thought, I am Brahman, I am Brahman. Just as you always think about, I am mother of so and so, I am mother of so and so, wife of so and so, husband of so and so. My new interpretation for husband, the one who bends always in front of wife is called husband. A joke, okay. Maximum 99% of people, no, husbands always bend and for her words he bends. That's why it is called husband. உங்களுக்கு வரலையோ எப்பவுமே உங்களுக்கு தான் வரணும் ஆக்சுவலி எனக்கு வரக்கூடாது ஆனால் எனக்கு வருது because after seeing all Wife also, not only less, she is also, wife is one who always asks her husband, why? Why is this? Why it is like this? For everything she asks, why? That's why she is called wife. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಇಂಟರ್ಪ್ರಿಟೇಷನ್ ಜೋಕ್, ಡೋಂಟ್ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಇನ್ ಡಿಕ್ಷನರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವೈಫ್ இதுத மீனிங்கு. சரி, ஜஸ்ட் ஆஸ் யூ ரிமெம்பர் லைக் தட். இப்போ நிதித்தியாசனலுக்கு வைஃப் அண்ட் ஹஸ்பண்ட் எதுக்குன்னா யூ திங்க் so much about those people, like that your mind has to dwell upon ஆத்மஸ்வரூபம். அது மாதிரி அப்படின்னா ஈஸியாக புரிஞ்சிடும். ஸோ ஹவு மச் யூ ஹாவ் absorbed in that relation, now you have to relate yourself with aham brahmasmi. sthapanam chetasaha sthapanam ekatanatvam. Ekatanatvam means convergence of all the thoughts. Ekatanata. This ekatanatvam, it is a Patanjali's word. Patanjali used in his sutras, Ashtanga Yoga. Before Patanjali itself, Ashtanga Yoga was there. Kapila Bhagavan gave that Ashtanga Yoga in Puranas, in Shastra it is there. But he gave in a different format, Patanjali. So he differs from Vedanta Ashtanga Yoga. Patanjali differs. Patanjali says, Jagat is Satyam, Atma Bahutvam. Patanjali Ashtanga Yoga, Vedanta Ashtanga Yoga differs. Patanjali says what? There are many Atmas. What we the Vedantins says, there is only one Atma. Patanjali Ashtanga Yoga says, there are many Atmas, Atma Bahutvam, not only that, Jagat is Satyam for them. Jagat is Satyam. What we the Vedantins say, Jagat is Mithya. The third difference, Patanjali says, Jivatma, Paramatma, both are different. Paramatma can never be the Jivatma, Jivatma can never be the Paramatma. This is the Patanjali's Ashtanga Yoga teaching. What we the Vedantins say, Jivatma, Paramatma are one and the same. Jivatma, Paramatma, Aikyam, we talk. So these are the differences we have to keep in our mind. But on the Dhyanam part, what he used the word, Tatra Pratyaya Ekatanata Dhyanam. Tatra Pratyaya Ekatanata. That word Vidyaranya uses here. Ekatanatvam. So Patanjali Ashtanga Yoga, he gives Dharana, Dhyana, Samadhi. Dharana, Dhyana, Samadhi. That Dhyanam word he uses. What we are talking about, Nididhyasanam. That Dhyanam, Dharana, Dhyana, Samadhi. Dharana means Desha Bandha Chittasya Dharana. Dharana means focusing. Dharana means focusing, one-pointedness. Desha bandha chittasya dharana. Either external object or internal object. Desha and that particular object, the place, either internal or external, bahyam or antaram, any object. Here, remember, Dhyanam, Samadhi means not only Atma Vishayam. For many people, there are many objects. They are doing Dhyanam upon that. Some people cricket Dhyanam. Some people serial Dhyanam. Some people grandson Dhyanam. Ladra Madri, they do Chintana continuously. On any particular object, whatever they love, they go on repeatedly thinking is called Dhyanam. Never think Dhyanam anna Bhagavan Dhyananda Dhyanam nenekadam. Some people only doing Bhagavan Dhyanam. But many people doing what? Worldly objects, they continuously think about them. They are also doing Dhyanam only. Yes? Therefore, Patanjali says dharana means fixing the mind upon that object, a particular place. Dharana. Desha bandha means what? Fixing. This is called dharana. After fixing, what you have to do? Dhyanam. Next step. He says, tatra pratyaya ekatanata. Ekatanata na continuity. Oneness. Convergence or ekatanata, keeping one place. For that also one definition we often see, dhyanam. Vijatiya pratyaya anantarita. Without any different thoughts, vijatiya pratyaya. Vijatiya different. Pratyaya means thought. Anantarita means without. Without the thoughts of different objects. Then what? Sajatiya pratyaya. Same thought. You have to continue. Same thought means if you suppose you are a Krishna Bhakta, you have to think about Krishna, 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 Krishna only. All the time Krishna connected thoughts. You should not go to any Devi or Shiva or anywhere. Only Krishna connected thought is called Sajatiya Pratyaya. Sometimes what happens when we are thinking about Krishna, Krishna with Venna comes to Kaila. The Venna Amul comes in the mind. Amul comes and immediately Amul prepared food dishes will come in your mind. And the Amul butter poi enge pohonna, adukapram price increase aayidchu, vegetable increase aayidchu. So you come from Krishna to butter to Amul to your Panchadara dabba. அது மாதிரி இப்படியே வெளியில வந்துருவோம் எப்படியோ. அது என்ன ஆயிடும்னா விஜாத்திய பிரத்யயம் அண்ணா. இல்லைன்னா விஜாத்திய பிரத்யம் எப்படி புரியும் உங்களுக்கு? இப்படி சொன்னாதான் புரியும். விஜாத்திய பிரத்யம் வந்தாச்சு என்ன. அப்படி வராமல் not deviated by Amul, you have to connect with Krishna only. Suppose that is called Sajatiya Pratyaya Pravahaha. Pravahaha na flow. The flow of thought connected to the same object without any different object is called dhyanam. In dharana there is an effort, prayatnam. Once that prayatna decrease, your effort decrease. Prayatna shaitilyabhyam, shithila bhavaha, shaitilyam. Your prayatna will reduce in dhyanam. In dharana, your prayatna is more, your effort is more. But in dhyanam, it will become lesser and lesser your effort. In dhyanam, that is contemplation we are talking here, not eka rupa, saguna ishvara dhyanam here. What is our dhyanam? Tattvamasi mahavakya, adu gnapakam irko? Jahad ajahal lakshanaya. Aham shariratraya vilakshanaha, panchakosha vilakshanaha, avasthatraya vilakshanaha, aham atma asmi. This is our object of meditation. Upon that I have to contemplate. After listening length of time Shastra alone, you can contemplate upon this Mahavakya. Until that time, hold on to your Ishtadevata. Until you get hold on that clarity on your Atma Swarupam, even though you are studying Shastra, it's not so easy to stand on Atma Dhyanam, very difficult. So therefore, hold on to your Ishtadevata, nothing wrong. Hold on to your Ishtadevata, length of time, then slowly say Atma Rama, Ananda Ramana, Mulla Mullama. You can reduce that Eka Rupa, Vishwarupa to Arupa, you can come. It's a gradual process. Okay, don't jump from that suddenly. In the puja grahalla moodite, neevu na unnudane, unak edukku puja ani solli. Taniya ukkanande, who am I, I am Brahman, anna konja naalukku Brahma vandudum. Another Shastra says never do like that. continue it. You need not stop puja, everything, continue it, but get hold in this. After length of time of study of Shastra, gradually you will drop. You need not stop the puja. Gradually your leaning upon Saguna Ishvara will drop. Slowly. Very gradual that is. Okay. That's why after a long practice, this person will take to Prayatnam Shaithilya Avastha Dhyanam. Without Prayatnam, spontaneously I think I am Brahman. Very natural. How natural? I am a woman. How natural it is for you? For a woman, I am a woman and ever natural. Are you doing meditation? I am a woman, I am a woman. I have to think. Not necessary. Very natural, spontaneous, very natural, very simple. Like that, I am Brahman has to become spontaneous. Andanaalum vandudado. No, vandudum, kandipa. So that is called nididhyasana muchyate. That ekatanata. That is called nididhyasanam, contemplation. He says. Tana means thread, I said. Thread means like a tailadhara, like a water flow, continuous, without any break. Like that, aham brahmasmi, aham brahmasmi, aham brahmasmi, that is only continuous. That is eka means single. Ekatanata means like a single thread. Like a single thread, a single thought. Single thought. That is called nididhyasanam. What is nididhyasanam is given in this shloka. Now, one clue for Tatra Pratyaya Ekatanata Dhyanam Patanjali Sutra I said. How you connect here in there in Patanjali Yoga Sutra, Tatra word is used. For that Tatra, here Vidyaranya used the word Arthe. Arthe means Brahmani. Upon that, Brahman. Patanjali says, Tatra Atma Swarupe. Tatra means upon that Atma Swarupam, he says. For that, here the word is not used, Vidyaranya. So, what is his word? Arthe is equal to Tatra. Patanjali's Tatra is Artha of Vidyaranya. Patanjali's Tatra word is referring to Artha by Vidyaranya here. Similarly, Ekatanata. Ekatanata word used by Vidyaranya, it is used there Ekatanata. Tatra pratyaya ekatanata, but he used here ekatanatvam etat he. That he emphasizes ekatanata. Ekatanatvam etat he. Pratyaya Patanjali used there. Here, Vidyaranya using Chetasaha. Anga Pratyaya ki in the Chetasaha ki connection. Anga Ekatanata ki inga Ekatanatvam hi connection. Tatra ki Arthe ki connection. Itram Shastram Terinjirkanam. Or Sutram or Slokam Chalanam, the teacher must have the knowledge of other systems also and Vedanta also, and what is the difference also the teacher must know. How he is using here. Otherwise, if you don't have knowledge of that yoga, Ashtanga yoga, we cannot explain this. So this is the teacher's job, teacher's struggle. Okay? We have to work for that. Now, what is Samadhi? Next shloka, he is going to explain Samadhi. Now we'll read that shloka number 55. Jhatrudhyane parityajya Okay. Kramadhyeyakagocharat ध्येयैकगोचरा निवातदीपं वच्चित्तम् समाधिरभिधीयते. அந்த கிரமாத்யேயிக அந்த மேல 2 கோடு போடணும். ध्येयैक இந்த புக்கில் பிரிண்டிங் சரியா இல்லை. யா மேல 2 ஹார்ன், 2 ஹார்ன்ஸ் யூ ஹேவ் டு புட். ध्येयैक गोचराम गोचरम. It's a very, very important shloka. What is samadhi? Once you do constant nididhyasanam and you will enter into samadhi. First of all, samadhi anna, what people talk about samadhi, worldly word, samadhi is not that samadhi here. If a person dies in burial ground, they construct one small tomb like, it's called samadhi. When they cremate a dead body, அங்கே ஒரு சமாதி கட்டுவான் இல்லையா? அந்த மாதிரி நிறைய மகான்களுக்கெல்லாம் சமாதி இருக்குன்னு சொல்லுவான், அங்கெல்லாம் போவான். அந்த சமாதி பற்றி பேசலாம் நம்ம இங்கே. Okay, forget about that samadhi. Here samadhi means what? Exact meaning of samadhi we have to understand. Samadhi means samyak adhiyate antahkaranam iti samadhi. Samyak adhiyate antahkaranam yasmin iti samadhi. Or samadhiyate asmin iti samadhi. Samadhiyate antahkaranam asmin iti samadhi. Samyak adhiyate antahkaranam iti samadhi. Or you can say samadhiyate antahkaranam asmin iti samadhi. Samadhi is a state of mind in which the mind is absorbed. Samadhi is a state of mind upon which it is absorbed. A mind that which absorbed upon a particular object. Samadhi. Before going to that samadhi, word to word meaning, just I'll give the definition of further clarification about samadhi. There are 2 types of samadhi. The which type Vidyaranya talking you will know later. So first we come to know what are the 2 types of samadhi. 2 types are there, savikalpa samadhi and nirvikalpa samadhi. Savikalpaka or savikalpa samadhi. Nirvikalpaka or nirvikalpa samadhi. Savikalpa means, with attributes. Pramana, prameya, pramatru, triputi, sahitam. I am dhyata, pramata, the meditator, doing the dhyanam, dhyata, dhyanam, dhyeyam. This is called savikalpam. I am the meditator, I am meditating upon a meditative object. This is called triputi. The triputi continues in that samadhi is called savikalpaka samadhi, in which the triputi continues. Still he is doing dhyanam, he has absorbed totally, but still I am dhyata, I am doing dhyanam upon that dheya vastu. This thought will continue in the mind with a subtle thought. Triputi continues. This is called savikalpaka samadhi. This savikalpaka samadhi can be called as sabija samadhi. Sabija samadhi. or sampragnata samadhi. Sabija samadhi or sampragnata samadhi. There is a prajna. I am a meditator, I am doing meditation upon the meditative object. Some prajna is there, jnanam is there. That is continuous, no? Triputi. Therefore it is called savikalpa or sabija or saga. There are sampragnata samadhi. Then second type of samadhi is nirvikalpaka samadhi. Once you are more advanced in savikalpaka samadhi, you become the master in savikalpaka samadhi, slowly you absorb into nirvikalpaka samadhi. Nirvikalpaka samadhi means just opposite to savikalpaka. In savikalpaka there are triputi. In nirvikalpaka, dhyata dhyanam disappears. Dhyayam alone remains. Dhyatru dhyanam parityajya. Now, Vidyaranya talking about nirvikalpaka samadhi in this shloka. Okay. What is that nirvikalpaka samadhi? He says, dhyatru dhyane parityajya. After doing dhyana length of time, after doing dhyanam for length of time, after doing savikalpaka samadhi for a length of time in years, it may take decades. What this meditator does, dhyatru, meditator, contemplator, I am the dhyata, contemplator, and the abhimanam he drops. Parityajya. Having given up, having dropped. This is the outcome of nididhyasanam. Nirvikalpaka samadhi is the outcome of nididhyasanam. Once you master nirvikalpaka this nididhyasanam, you will end in nirvikalpaka samadhi. Dhyane api parityajyana. Dhyana means process of meditation. Process of meditation. Dhyanam. The means of meditation. Parityajya. Kramat dheya eka gocharam. First what you have to drop? Kramat. Kramat means respectively you have to drop. Respectively means what? Giving respect. Kramat and respectively. Respectively means with respect, not with respect. First meditation start with whom? Meditator. Then meditator alone does meditation, dhyanam. So which one you have to drop first? With which one you start first, that you have to drop. What you have to drop? I am a meditator. First that you have to drop. That is the kramat enna artham inge. Respective. First dhyata you drop. You won't drop deliberately. The dhyata drops himself. No? And naturally it happens. By long practice. Then dhyanam. Second step you drop and the dhyanam pandre notion koda irukkodadu. Naan ukaandirken, dhyanam pannindirken, naan dhyanam pandre anna rendume vidanu. எவ்வளவு கஷ்டம் தெரியுமா? எவ்வளவு கஷ்டம்? Very, very difficult to drop all those things unless you do minimum 1 decade dhyanam continuously. You cannot do that. 1 decade. 1 decade என்ன தெரியுமா? டிக்கேடுக்கு இயருக்கு டிஃபரன்ஸ் தெரியுமோ? டிக்கேட் என்ன எத்தனை வருஷம்? 10 years. Minimum consistently if you do 10 years sadhana of meditation with full disciplines, you will arrive at that stage. புரியுறதா? After 1 0 10 years, 1 decade, if you constantly do meditation, dhyata dhyanam can be dropped without any effort. என்ன பயம் கொடுக்குறேன்னு 10 வருஷமா சுவாமினி 10 நாடு கூட பண்ணலையே மெடிடேஷன், நான் 10 வருஷம் எங்க 10 மாசம் கூட பண்ணலையே, 10 வாரமே பண்ணலையேன்னா பண்ணலன்னா அப்படிதான் இருக்கும். பண்ணிட்டோம்னா நமக்கு ஈஸியா இருக்கும். That is what sadhana, not just reading books. Reading books is not sufficient. I have to implement into my life. Dhyanam. That is why Ashtanga Yoga. Meditation சொல்றதே இல்லை யாருக்குமே. என்ன everybody stop at asana pranayama. Further வந்தாதானே தியானம் பற்றி சொல்லி கொடுக்கறதுக்கு. See, people come and ask, Swamini, I want to learn dhyanam. I want to learn samadhi, abhyasam. And people are not asking, எனக்கு அந்த வாசனை சொல்லிக் கொடுங்க, இந்த பிராணாயாமம் சொல்லிக் கொடுங்க, அந்த ஆசனம் சொல்லுங்கன்னு கேட்குறாங்களே தவிர மெடிடேஷன் பற்றி கேட்குறவங்களே இல்லை சில ஆக்சுவலாக. We have to learn meditation from a teacher for a length of time. Then we have to practice at home. Then this is simple. What you have to do? Kramat dheya eka gocharam. You have to remain at that object of meditation. The Triputila, dhyata gone, dheyam gone, dhyanam gone, and dheyam only is there. Brahman, 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 aham brahmasmi. Naturally, this is happening every time for many people in many objects. When a person seeing the match between Pakistan and India, cricket match, he is in Nirvikalpaka Samadhi. நாம என்னமோ இங்கே உட்கார்ந்து பேசிட்டோம்னா கஷ்டமாக இருக்கு. When the match is going on between Pakistan and India, people are all standing on their toes, no? The person who is seeing the cricket, he has forgotten. He is seeing another forgotten. What he is seeing alone, dheya eka gocharam. அதுதான் dheya eka gocharam. அதே ஆத்மா பற்றி பகவான் பற்றி சொன்னால் ஐயோ கஷ்டம்னு சொல்லுவோம். A small baby also focusing upon an object. No? When they are playing, they focus upon the ant. They observe. When the crane want to catch the fish, it looks, When the cat want to catch the rat, it is in samadhi. Nirvikalpaka samadhi. அவ்வளோதான் சமாதி. என்ன வேறு பெரிய கஷ்டமே இல்லை. நம்ம ஏதோ சமாதி பண்ணிட்டே இருக்கோம் டெய்லி, எக்ஸெப்ட் ஆன் ஆத்மா. அவ்வளோதான். நம்ம சாஸ்திரம் என்ன சொல்றதுன்னா அந்த சமாதி இங்கே திருப்பு சொல்லணும். அவ்வளோதான். இட்ஸ் நாட் பிக் டீல், நோ, வெரி சிம்பிள். பட் the what you love more, absorption is simple. We love more on everything. I love cricket, I have got absorption. I love cereal, I have got absorption. I love my husband, I got absorption for some time. Okay, I love my husband, got absorption. I love my son, daughter, absorption. I love my... So our absorptions are changing. But whereas you come to Atma Swarupam, it will never change. We are not having that much love for Atma. Love for Atma you have to develop now. So that Nitya Nivata Deepavat Chittam. Chittam, the mind has to abide. Chittam means mind has to abide. Like what? Nivata Deepam. Nivata Deepam is a flame without breeze. A flame without breeze. A flame without breeze, just as without any flickerings, it remains like that. One has to abide in that. Nivata Deepa Chittam. Here Nivatam means breezeless, not airless. Breezeless. Airless enna theriyuma? Flame will put off. No, it cannot continue. Why? It requires some air. theriyumillo? Adu madri Nivatam here the breezeless. Air is there. Air everywhere it is there. But how can be a flame is very steady and a breezeless? Breeze and without any flickerings, the breeze and movement of the breath, air. That is called breeze. That Nivata Deepavat. Just as the flame remains without any breeze steadily, your mind has to remain steady. Upon what? Dheya eka gocharam. What is your dhyayam here? Object of meditation. Dhyayam anna object of meditation. Dhyata means dhyatru anna meditator, contemplator. Dhyana means process of contemplation or process of meditation is called dhyanam. So your mind has to absorb in dhyayam, object of meditation. Eka gocharam, that only should be there in your mind, nothing else. Like a flame, breezeless flame. That is called samadhi iti abhidhiyate. That alone is called samadhi. Sam plus a plus dha dhatu. Dha means to hold. To hold, sam plus a plus dha dhatu. To hold. Holding the mind upon the Atma Swarupam. Next shloka we will read. Now when we drop this Triputi, the dhyata, dhyanam process, I have dropped. Triputi is not there. Suppose I am nirvikalpaka samadhi, no vikalpa. No vikalpa at all. Then how can I get Atma Gnanam Aham Brahmasmi? No thoughts, no different thoughts. Vijatiya pratyayame illa, triputiye illa. Chumma aham brahmasmi. How do I know that I am aham brahmasmi? How can I absorb in that? How can I know that I am in Brahman sthiti? For that he says in the next shloka, that thought continues without any effort. वृत्तयस्तु तदानीमज्ञाता अध्यात्मगोचराः यस्तु तदानीमज्ञाताप्यप्यात्मगोचराः स्मरणादनुमीयन्ते व्युत्थितस्य समुत्थितात्. Vrittayaha tadani means samadhi kale. So samadhi, in that nirvikalpaka samadhi, not savikalpaka samadhi. Savikalpaka samadhi is inferior to nirvikalpaka samadhi. Because in savikalpaka samadhi, dhyata is there, dhyanam is there, dhyayam is there, triputi is there. I have not absorbed totally. Triputi is there. So I have to absorb by dropping the dhyata and dhyanam. I have to focus only upon dhyayam. That is only nirvikalpaka samadhi. That in the nirvikalpaka samadhi, there are no thoughts. We say there are no thoughts. Like in sleep. In sleep are there thoughts or not? Sleep la thoughts irukka? Kadiyadu. அதே மாதிரி சமாதியில கூட ஒரு தாட் இல்லாமல் இருக்கணும். ஒரே விருத்தி தான் இருக்கணும். அகம் பிரம்மாஸ்மி. That vritti. What is the difference between sleep and samadhi? Very difficult to find out. Samadhi is different from sleep. Sleep also there are no thoughts. In samadhi also there are no different thoughts. But jnana vritti is there here. Jnana vritti. In sleep fully ajnanam. I don't know anything. In sleep what? I don't know anything. That is ajnana vritti. In samadhi, I am having that dhyaya vritti. Dhyaya means what? Object of meditation. Object of meditation, for a Vedantic student, what is the object of meditation? Atma aham brahmasmi vritti, it is there. So that jnana vritti is there in samadhi. But whereas in sleep, that vritti is not there. I am sleeping and vritti irka namakku. Irka? Kadiyadu. But whereas in samadhi, nirvikalpaka samadhi, I am Brahman, anger thought continuously there. Even though I am dhyata, dhyanam is not there, dhyayam is there. So that's what he says. Vrittayaha tadanim ajnata api atmagocharaha. This means what here? Tadanim samadhi avasthe or samadhi kale. Vrittayaha tu ajnata. All thoughts are suspended. All thoughts are suspended. That is true. All thoughts are suspended, even that is the condition of the mind. Still, what is there? Atmagocharaha. Even all vrittis are ajnatam. I don't know anything in samadhi. I absorb. Now see, when you are seeing the TV also, and some person walks in front of you, when you are looking at a serial or a cricket match, somebody has walked. Who has walked with you? And that person name na paakave illiye. Kannu munnadi dhaan ipdi ponane paakave illiye. That means you have not noticed. So your mind is totally away from that, not registered. Your mind has not registered. Similarly, in samadhi also, all thoughts are subsided. Only one thought is, that is also in sukshma vritti. If it is active, you will know sthula vritti kadiyadadi, sukshma vritti. Naan samadhila irukken, I am focusing on brahmanangar vritti kadiyadu. But aham brahmasmi angara thought vritti வந்து சூக்ஷ்மத்தில் இருக்கு. எக்ஸ்பிரஸ் பண்ண முடியாத அளவுக்கு இருக்கு, அவ்வளவுதான். ஈவன் ஸ்லீப்ல கூட இருக்கு, ஆனாலும் அங்கே கூட எக்ஸ்பிரஸ் பண்ண முடியல. Not totally, it is not. Suppose mind is not there totally, what will happen, Suppose mind is absent totally in sleep, next day morning you will not get up. புரியலையோ? மைண்ட் இருக்கு, ஆனாலும் எப்படிப்பட்ட மைண்ட்? மாடிஃபிகேஷன்லெஸ் மைண்ட் இஸ் தேர். மாடிஃபிகேஷன்லெஸ் மைண்ட் இஸ் தேர். மாடிஃபைடு மைண்ட் இருந்தால் அது ஜாகிரத அவஸ்தை. இப்போ which அவஸ்தா you are? Your thoughts have to modify now. When I am talking, I am using the words, I am changing my words. Your thoughts have to be modified. If they won't modify, they are same as it is. என்ன அர்த்தம் தெரியுமோ? You are sleeping and ardham. Thank God your thoughts are modifying now because you are in Jagrata Avastha. When you go to sleep, thoughts are not having modification. Mind is modificationless status. இதெல்லாம் பெரிய ஸ்டடி. தூக்கம் பற்றி நமக்கு தூங்குறது தான் தெரியும். தூக்கம் பற்றி ஸ்டடி பண்ணுறது தெரிஞ்சுக்கணும். தூக்கம் பற்றி நமக்கு தெரியும், தூங்குறது நல்லா தெரியும். தூக்கம் பற்றி ஸ்டடி பண்ணணும். மாடிஃபிகேஷன்லெஸ் ஸ்டேட் ஆஃப் மைண்ட் இஸ் கால்டு ஸ்லீப் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி, மனசு இல்லையோ அங்கன்னா இருக்கு. மனசு இல்லாமல் இருக்கக்கூடாது. எப்படி இந்த நிவாத தீபம் என்ன காத்து இருக்கு, ஆனாலும் எயிர் இஸ் தேர் பட் பிரீஸ் இஸ் நாட் தேர். அது மாதிரி சமாதி ஸ்லீப்ல கூட என்ன இருக்கு? மனசு இருக்கு. எயிர் இருக்கிற மாதிரி மனசு இருக்கு. அதனால அந்த wind is not there. Air is there, wind is not there. புரியுறதோ பாஷை? என்ன சுவாமி, எயிர்னா விண்டு தானே, விண்டுன்னா ஏர், அதுக்கு டிஃபரன்ஸ் இருக்கு. மனசு வந்து ஏர் மாதிரி. தாட்ஸ் ஃபிளக்சுவேஷன்ஸ் ஆர் லைக் விண்டு மாதிரி. புரியுறத? இப்போ மனசு இருக்கு, விண்டும் இருக்கு. Modifications are also there now. It has to be there. Thank God. I pray the Lord, let them be there. Okay, thoughts, modifications are there in the mind. In sleep and samadhi, modifications are not there, but in sleep, total ajnanam. In samadhi, I am aham Brahma asmi thought I am entertaining. We are talking about nididhyasanam, meditation, samadhi. Therefore, he says, vrittayaha tu tadanim ajnata. A subtle sukshma vritti irukku, adu notify pandra alavukku illai. Aham brahmasmiங்கிற vritti dhyanamla samadhila irukku. I am Brahman thought is there in subtle form, without any fluctuations, without any wind. Atma gocharaha. Atma vritti gocharaha anartham. Atma gocharaha means Atma vritti gocharaha. How you know they are there? How do you know? After coming out of samadhi, meditation, he says, smaranad anumiyate vittitasya purushasya samuthitat. Ange vrittitasya na purushasya. A person, vyuthita na, the one who has woken up, came out of that samadhi. Once he comes out of samadhi, Atmagocharaha Vishayaha Yasam Taha Samuthitat. That vritti also, which was in Sukshma form when he was doing Samadhi, and the Sukshma form vritti ennaidum, when he comes out, he wakes up from Samadhi, he comes out of Samadhi, Vyuthitasya na Samadhi Vyuthitasya Purushasya. That person, what will happen? Samuthitat. This Sukshma vritti come to surface. Samuthitat, what happened? Smaranad anumiyate. He remembers. He recollects. What? I did Nirvikalpaka Samadhi. I have absorbed in Aham Brahmasmi thought, and he recollects. That smarana. Smarana means what? Memory. Memory means what? Recollection. Recollection, when can you do? When you do collection only, you do recollection. Leo. So you have collected that Aham Brahmasmi, Aham Brahmasmi, Aham Brahmasmi vritti. Non-Brahmanda. You have forgotten the body-mind complex. You have forgotten the intellect. You have remained as Atman, 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 Atman. But at that time you are not able to express, because body-mind complex has lost its modifications, identity. After coming out of Samadhi, you come to body awareness, mind awareness, then start winds, fluctuations. Appa enna solluvel? I have really absorbed in Atma Swarupam. That's Smaranam. Yat Anubhutam tat eva smaryate. Whatever you have experienced only you can recollect. Adi puriyanavanna, even thookathila kuda nalla thoongina. I have slept well. How do you know? Ange oru thought illaye. Appo naan thoongren appo theriyuma? Theriyadu. Manasse ille appo. Thoughts are not there. Then who registered that I slept well? When you utter that word? After waking up. After waking up, you recollect that I have slept well. I slept well, you recollect. How you got that experience? Deep sleep. I got a nice deep sleep. In a deep sleep. How do you know that deep sleep? That means you have registered there. The Sukshma vritti has registered. Enakku onnume theriyalai. ஆனால் சமாதியில் வந்தவன் என்ன சொல்லுவா? எனக்கு ஒன்றுமே தெரியலைன்னு சொல்லக்கூடாது. சமாதியில் வந்த உடனே என்ன சொல்லணும்? எனக்கு அகம் பிரம்மாஸ்மி தான் தெரியறது, அப்போ ஒன்றுமே தெரியலைன்னு சொல்லணும். அதுதான் டிஃபரன்ஸ். புரியறதுன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். ஸ்மரணாத் யத் யத் அனுபூதம். தட்ஸ் வாட் யூ ஹாவ் டு அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட். Yat yat smaryate tat tat anubhutam. Whatever you remember, recollect, you must have experienced that. அந்த தூக்கத்தில் இல்லாமல் ஃபுல் இக்னரன்ஸ். சமாதியில் கூட இக்னரன்ஸ் இருந்ததுன்னு அதுக்கு இதுக்கு டிஃபரன்ஸ் தெரியாது. இன்னும் சமாதி கொஞ்சம் டிஃபரன்ஸ், தியானம் இஸ் டிஃபரெண்ட். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்லோகா. விருத்தீனாம் அனுவிருத்திஸ்து பிரயத்னாத் பிரதமாதபி அதృష్టா சக்ருதாப்யாசாத் சம்ஸ்காரः சச்சிவாத் பவேத். Abhyasa. Okay. Now he is giving a question may arise in the mind of a person. Another definition also we can give for nirvikalpaka samadhi. Na vidyate pramata pramanam prameyam triputi yasmin samadhau. Pramata pramanam prameyam. பிரமேயம் செப்பரேட்டாக இருக்காது. நான் பிரமேயத்தில் ஒன்று ஆயிடுவேன். ஸோ ஐ அண்ட் மை செல்ஃப் அண்ட் தேயம் வில் நாட் ஸ்டாண்ட் செப்பரேட்லி. பிரமாதா பிரமாணம் பிரமேயம் வில் dissolve. ஒரு சூக்ஷ்ம விருத்தி only remain, that aham brahmasmi or jivatma paramatma aikya vritti. We can call it as akhandakara vritti, divisionless. Akhandana divisionless. Akara vritti, akhandakara vrittina, the thought that which is free from divisions. Khandarahita vritti, akhandakara vritti continues. That akhandakara vritti continues in nirvikalpaka samadhi. The same aham brahmasmi vritti continue because of three factors. Vidyaranya says that aham brahmasmi vritti continues because of three factors. What are those three factors? First factor is prathama vrittihi. Prayatnat prathama vrittihi. Prathama vrittihi. Vrittinam anuvrittistu. Vrittinam na samadhi vrittinam. When samadhila aham brahmasmi dheya vastu vritti is there, that vritti anuvritti continues. How do I know that vritti only is continuing? How do I know that vritti only has continued after waking up from samadhi? How do I know that vritti only continued? What is the guarantee? Samadhila irukira vrittiye continue aayidchani after waking up, coming out of samadhi, you are telling. What is the guarantee that vritti, what you are talking vritti is same? How that samadhila vritti continues? எதுவுமே இல்லாமல், நானங்கிறதே இல்லாமல், பிரமாதா இல்லாமல், தியாதா இல்லாமல், எப்படி அங்கே தேய விருத்தி மட்டும் இந்த மனசில் ஒரு மாடிஃபிகேஷன்ஸ் இல்லாமல், how just that aham brahmasmi vritti alone will continue without modifications? Is it possible? It is possible because of your long practice. When you are doing dharana, dhyana, savikalpaka samadhi, that abhyasa time, you have done deliberate thought repetition. What repetition? Aham brahmasmi manobuddhyankara chittani naham. And dharana time lo, dhyana time lo, savikalpaka samadhi time lo, deliberately, willfully you have put an effort. பிரயத்னம் வச்சு பண்ணிட்டேங்க. அந்த பிரயத்னம் பண்ண ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பிரதமா ஸ்டேஜில், ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஸ்டேஜில், that will continue. It will not go away. That force, the momentum. Just like you are going by cycle fast, very fast. Suddenly you stop pedaling. Cycle move or not? இந்த பெடலிங்க பண்டிகை எப்படி மூவ் பண்றதுன்னு? Because of its pradhama pedaling. Because of its pedaling previously, that force, that momentum Even though you stop pedaling, it continues. Fan பாருங்க switch off பண்ண உடனே it moves. Even though it has no connection with electricity, still it moves. Why? Because of momentum. Like that, even though in samadhi, even though your prayatna is not there, prayatna saithilyam is there, deliberately you are not doing, willfully you are not entertaining any thought, but எப்படி அந்த விருத்தி அகம் பிரம்மாஸ்மிங்கிற விருத்தி யார் பண்றான்? அந்த விருத்தி கண்டினியூஷன். Who is doing that? இந்த momentum தான். இந்த momentum, the momentum means what? You have struggled a lot. என்ன அந்த சமாதிக்கு போகணும், அந்த சமாதிக்கு போகணும், நிர்விகல்ப சமாதி போகணும், ஐ ஹாவ் டு அப்சார்ப்னு எவ்வளோ சாதனை பண்ணியானோ அந்த சாதனம் எல்லாமே லைக் பெடலிங் மாதிரி தான். அந்த நிர்விகல்ப சமாதியில் போன உடனே வாட் யூஆர் தூக்குங்கிறாளோ தெரியல, சமாதியில் இருக்காளோ தெரியல. தூங்கிட்டான்னா அக்னஹா, தூங்காமல் இருந்து ஒரு விருத்தி என்டர்டெயின் பண்ண இந்த ஃபோர்ஸ் வில் ஒர்க் தேர். அதுதான் அவர் சொல்றாரு, விருத்தி நாம் அனுவிருத்திஸ்து. அனுவிருத்தி என்ன? மொமெண்டம். விருத்தி நாம் மீன்ஸ் வாட்? ப்ரீவியஸ் விருத்திஸ், தேர் மொமெண்டம் கண்டினியூ ஈவன் யூ அப்சார்ப். நாம் தியாதான்னது இல்லை, எப்படி கண்டினியூ ஆக முடியும்னா கண்டினியூ ஆகும். ஏன்னா நீ முன்னாடி பண்ண ஸ்பீடு இருக்கு இல்லையோ, அந்த ஸ்பீடு. தட் இஸ் வை ஒன்ஸ் சம்டைம்ஸ் வி ரன் 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 ஸ்டாப் பண்ணா கூட you go some distance. எப்படி என்ன? because of that speed, without your effort. ட்ரை பண்ணாலும் எப்போ வந்து ட்ரை பண்ண வேண்டாம், அது நடக்கும், அவ்வளோதான். அந்த ஃபோர்ஸில் வரும்போது நமக்கு தெரியாமல் இங்கே நிற்கணும்னு நினைப்புறோம், அந்த ஸ்பீடுக்கு இன்னொரு ஸ்டெப் முன்னாடி போகும். வித்தவுட் நல்ல எக்ஸாம்பிள் இங்கே தான் கரெக்டாக வருது எனக்கு. இப்போது ஃபாஸ்ட்டாக போகிறோம், டக்குன்னு அங்கே நிற்கும் போது என்ன ஆகும் தெரியுமோ, அந்த ஸ்பீடுக்கு even though you are not trying to put a step further, you want to stop, but what will happen? அந்த ஸ்பீடு உங்க கால் என்ன பண்ணுவோன்னா இன்னொரு ஸ்டெப்பு போ முன்னாடி, அப்படியே நேச்சுரலா போயிடும். இஸ் தேர் யுவர் எஃபர்ட்? why it has happened like that? because of your momentum. அது மாதிரி தாரண தியான சவிகல்ப சமாதி மொமெண்டம் நிர்விகல்ப சமாதிலோ அந்த டெலிபரேட்லி வில்ஃபுல்லா இல்லாட்டாலும் கூட அங்கே அந்த விருத்தி கண்டினியூ ஆகும். இதுதான் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஸ்டெப். தென் செகண்ட் ஸ்டெப்னா யுவர் அதிருஷ்டம் புண்ணிய கர்ம பரிபாகேனா. இஃப் யூ ஹவ் டன் லாட் ஆஃப் நோபல் கர்மாஸ், குட் கர்மாஸ், பதஞ்சலி சேஸ் சுக்ல கர்மான்னு, சுக்ல கர்மா கிருஷ்ண கர்மான்னு ரெண்டு கர்மாஸ். சுக்ல கர்மான்னா தட் which gives spiritual benefit, Krishna karma that which gives only worldly benefits. Only punyam if you have done shukla karma, it gives a lot of spiritual benefit and the thoughts will come. Or punya papa mishrama panna, you will get a lot of benefits of servants, house, car, veedu, padam ella varum. Adi Krishna karma. Okay. Shukla Krishna karma mixed. Shukla karma, ashukla karma, ida adrishtam anartham. புண்ணிய பரிபாக்கம். அதனால் நம்ம பண்ண புண்ணிய கர்மாக்கள் எல்லாம் வந்து அந்த மொமெண்டம் புஷ் பண்ணுமா, எனக்கு நல்ல ஞானம் வரட்டும் வரட்டும்னு புஷ் பண்ணுமா, அதிருஷ்ட பலம். ஏதாவது பண்ணி இருந்தா அதுக்குதான் புண்ணிய கர்மா பண்ணுன்னு சொல்றது, தெரியறத? இது ரெண்டாவது ஸ்டெப். மூணாவது என்னன்னா அந்த லாஸ்ட் தேர்ட் லைன்ல ஹி சேஸ் அசக்ருத். செகண்ட், அசக்ருத் அபியாச சம்ஸ்கார சச்சிவாத் பவேத். அசக்ருத்தன்னா நான் ஸ்டாப், கண்டினியூஸ். அபியாச மீன்ஸ் practice, samskara means impressions. By practice, repeated practice, what will happen? Sachivat bhave, they will help you there. They will help you there. எப்போ படிச்சின பாடம் டக்குன்னு அந்த டைமுக்கு ஞாபகம் வரும். அது மாதிரி நம்ம பண்ண சாதனை எங்கேயோ வந்து நமக்கு அங்கே உதவியா இருக்கும். இந்த மாதிரி 3 ஸ்டெப்ஸ் மூலமா அந்த அனுவிருத்தி நடக்கும். More in the next class. Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shantihi. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.